What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share 4 fresh working promo code for pictory.ai. Just watch this video till end. Here I am going to share 4 fresh working code you can use right now and get amazing discount right now. And this code I'll find you from a really hard work because it take a lot of time to find working promo code, and you can easily get this promo code by watching this video till end. So this code is working right now. So how you can use it? Simply add this code on the checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So here is a full fresh working code you can use right now in pictory.ai, so you will get discount. So here is a full fresh code. So here we go. So this is code number first where you will get 10% discount on pictory.ai, and this is code number 2 where you will get 20% discount on exclusive by using this code. This is third where you will get 20% off by using this code, and this is last where you will get 15% discount by using this code. Let me tell you one more thing, you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time, and it is working all over the country. So hope you understand. Subscribe for more videos. If you want more, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.